What's up? What's up? It's your man, Jimmy Chan. All right, so over here we have two equations here, and what it wants to know is if these two lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither, right? So in order to know if they're parallel or perpendicular, we need to look at their slope. In order to know what their slope is, what we're going to do is we're going to get these equations. We're going to take these equations, get the y by itself. And once we get the y by itself, now we can go ahead and compare the two slopes. So let's go ahead and take these two equations here. And let's get the y by itself. So let's separate these two. All right, so let's take a look. All right, so over on the left. Now, I'm going to do the one on the left first just because it's a different way of thinking about it. We can bring in the sisters and get rid of all the fractions if we want to. Absolutely, you're welcome to do that. But I'm going to give you another food for thought, okay? So we know that the y's here. We're going to leave this by itself, so we're going to move this over to the other side. So if I'm correct, what we have would be the y over 2 is going to equal to the negative 2/5 x plus 4, right? So typically, we would have this as like, 2y, and then we would just divide by 2 on both sides. But if you look at this, what's the opposite operation of dividing by 2? Wouldn't it be multiply by 2? Well, if we multiply this side by 2, should we not multiply this side by 2? Which means I'm going to multiply each term by 2, right? So if I was to expand this, it would just mean me doing it this. Actually, let me do it this way. It would just mean that I'm going to do this. Right? So I multiply every single term by 2. So what happens when I multiply the left side, everything, if I multiply the left side by 2, well, what will happen is that the 2 will cancel out. I'll have just the y left. Then I'm going to have a negative 4/5 x plus 8, okay? All right, so on the right side, let's take a look. What we have here is that, and we get the y by itself, we're going to have y is equal to positive 5 over 4x minus 2. So where is my slope? My slope is right here in front of the x. And let's compare them. Are they the same? No, they're not the same. So therefore they must be, I shouldn't say they must be. That means that they're not parallel since they're not the same, okay? But the next question is, can I flip and negate one to get the other? And can I flip and negate the other and get the one? And the answer is yes. Since that answer is yes, that means these must be perpendicular. And which is choice A. And there we go. Okay, that was a little severe, I guess. How about now? Okay. How about now? Thank you. All right. I hope that helps. If there's any questions, please let me know. See